I've had the time of my life working with JW today. He's taught me a lot.
I really recommend this workshop to anyone who wants to develop their skill as an actor.
Honestly, it is one of the funnest classes I've ever had because we do a bunch of improv. So you can pretty much enjoy your time there, and it's a safe environment.
I highly recommend taking his classes because he teaches a technique that fits you, not the other way around.
Working with JW is great. As someone who has mostly stage experience, figuring out the transition from acting on stage to acting on camera.
I did have a breakthrough today, which is great. I actually, instead of crying and breaking down, I actually laughed until I could not see straight.
There is no magic trick and no superpower required to be an effective camera actor. You just need a little experience doing it. So that's why they asked me to do these workshops. My regulars know how this works, and they know that every workshop is different. So if you've never joined us before, I encourage you to come out and give it a shot. I guarantee you're going to have a great time. You're going to laugh a lot, and you're going to learn something new today.